So today I'll show you some of my favorite spots here in Bandra, or some spots that you'll probably know or recognize by seeing it. So let's spend a Sunday in Mumbai. And these are some things that I recommend personally as a local. I've born and brought up here, and these are some favorite spots that I usually do and also want to discover some. And Sunday in Mumbai is usually very chill, and that's what I really like about Sunday, because it's chill and you can take your own time.
We'll start our day to have lunch in a popular restaurant in Bandra. This is a great cafe, another great cafe, but that's not where we are going. We are going to Veronica's, and that's how we started.
The good part about this restaurant, which is very famous, is you can actually take a drink until you wait.
After long hours of waiting, we finally got a seat and ordered shrimp tempura. It tasted just right. But the best part about the whole place is this high ceilings that they have created. It's very unique to see something like this in Mumbai.
Actually poured over. With the sauce. Done with the lunch at Veronica's, and we were kicked out. Yeah, we were But I feel this is going to be one of my favorite spots in Bandra. So if you're in the city and in the Ranwar village, you got to come. The thing that I like the most about Veronica's is their sandwiches. It is really up to the mark. The speciality in the drinks that they have, like they have a lot of wines and a lot of coffees and kombuchas, which is unique to the restaurants which are around here in Mumbai or in Bandra. So this is something that really stands out from the whole space and the vibe. So Veronica's is the start point of Ranwar village, which is the spot that you need to explore when you are in Bandra. It's one of the things to do. You can see a lot of little houses or lanes, which is quite great to walk after, especially after the lunch from Veronica's.
Ranwar village is unique to its kind because it's one of the original hamlets of Bandra and it dates back to 1716.
So when you're in Bandra, of course, the most recommended place to visit is the Mount Mary Church. But the one place that everyone forgets, and it's the locals' favorite, which is the steps, is just called the steps in Bandra, is just before Mount Mary. So you can just come here and you can have your cup of coffee or have sit with your friends. It's a great spot for photos as well if you come in the afternoon time, because there's graffiti. At the end of this place is also the Steps Cafe. But just it's my thing that I didn't really like that cafe as much, as there are lot more better places. But for the view, that cafe is really good if you just want to grab something. You can take a right from Mount Mary and go straight down to Bandstand. That's how I usually go, and just spend some time there. This is the best walking route you can have. But other than that, overall the growing culture in Mumbai is about cafe, but also about, I feel, is matcha coffee. There are great matcha places in Mumbai which is open, iced, hot, all kinds of matcha that you will get. But my favorite one till now that I have discovered is in the Boca Cafe. I highly recommend it. There are other places that I'll just link down in the description, but the Boca one really stood out from all of them. So do try. So that that is it. I conclude my Sunday over here near the sea. You can either visit Bandstand or Carter's. If you want to do a lot of walking, you can go to Carter's, or even Bandstand is great just for the views, as you can already see. But I feel that as locals we do take our city a lot for granted, and if you ask any Mumbaiker, they'll just suggest you there's just nothing to do here and you can just go to any mall. But honestly speaking, there's a lot of things that the city offers, and sometimes even I forget how amazing Mumbai is. So you can make the most of it just by exploring the simple things or the simple cafes, and of course the sea. Don't listen to people that there's nothing to do in Mumbai, because there's lots around. And if you want to know more places which is not shown in this vlog, you can watch in the description down below. And thanks for watching.
Honestly, Bandstand was super crowded on a Sunday, so would recommend to just go to Carter Road to walk around, unless you want to see the Shah Rukh Khan's house. And that's how we ended our day.